Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, I will show you how to multiply complex numbers using Scientific Calculator Casio fx-991CW. So first of all, press Mode key, then for complex number, press 2, then press Shift key, and here on 2 it's written complex, so press 2. Now, select the fourth option for complex number a plus b iota. Now, move this cursor to the beginning by pressing the left arrow key and type the first complex number in brackets. For example, 6 plus 3 iota. Close the bracket and type the second complex number in brackets. So 2 minus 2 iota. Close the bracket and press equal sign, and it's equal to 18 minus 6 iota. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel.